Better can't cook. Think you you pay your pretty look cook. Recipe.
Welcome back, guys, to another banger. Hello, but on today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my sweet potato pudding. So this first step we need is our liquid ingredient using coconut milk, sugar, vanilla extract. I'm gonna mix it, then wait till all my sugar dissolve. So now for our dry ingredients. In this bowl I'll be sifting half and half fine grade cornmeal and all-purpose flour, and we're gonna be sifting this all together to remove all the lumps from our dry ingredients. So yes, and as I stated before, all the measurement that I'll be using in this video will be listed in the description below, so stay tuned. So now that we have sifted our dry ingredients, I'm gonna be adding my liquid ingredients using the coconut and the vanilla and the sugar that I mixed earlier. Now it's time for a raisin. I'm gonna be coating my raisin with some flour so that when I add my raisin to the liquid, it doesn't sink. And if you achieve this texture, if you don't want it watery, you can just add 1 more cup of flour, or maybe 1.5 more cup of flour to get it all thick, you know, just the way how you like it. But yeah, this is the way how I like it. And before you pour this in, guys, please to grease and flour your baking tray, and then add the wet ingredients into your baking tray so it doesn't stick. And this is how it looked, guys, after 2 hours in the oven. So now I'm gonna be adding my glaze on the top of it, or you call it custard or custard. Yeah, I'm gonna be adding the custard on top. And what I use to achieve the texture of the custard is warm the same coconut with the vanilla and the sugar on the stove till it come a thick type of texture, and then I'm adding it to my pudding, and then I'm gonna be putting it back in the oven for like 20 minutes and then take it out back, and then you will see. And look there, guys, nice glazing potato pudding done for the first time on camera. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to please leave a like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos like these. Bye.